Well, it is all over. Wesikamamizela isigodi amaphakaphaka mathathu Stade Abidjan iqanda. That was CAF Champions League group stages. Orlando Pirates is now on top, above Al Ahly. Kodwa they are above. That is due to the win. CR produced that yesterday. Ishaye Al Ahly go 1-0. Welcome and welcome back. Mawuthi uphuma emaholidini sithi welcome, come back to This Is My Views, My Expressions. Mawuthi futhi uyaqala ukujoyina, please do subscribe, share, utshele nabanye ukuthi we are here. Happy New Year. It's really a new year and sibona izinto ezintsha singazazi. Impethe sonke kanje.
Ngikhuluma ngani manje?
This is really a new year. Ngiyaqala ukubona sonke kanje.
Yazi ukhuluma ngani?
Izwa ngani skin upromote?
Uyakhokha my views.
Yeah, we are paying really well. Asinikeze bonus. Ibonus ya December le. Ahamba uthenga umseko and I'm going to Siboniso Sizo owabamnika isibongo and as usual ngabingedwa ngiphethe coach Phela. Yes, welcome to the show, my man.
Happy New Year for Happy New Year. Ngidota ube mfethu ukhuluma ngebhola.
Well, we saw a beautiful game. Orlando Pirates winning by 3-1. I mean 3-0. Hey bo. Hey, akathi ngifunda labantu bathela igoli la. By 3-0 we saw Mfokeng opening the nets, and then the second goal was Tito Masanganye. You forgot to give it up as well. But that was shy nets. I think that deserves a round of applause. And the third goal came from Hoto. What a beautiful run and a finisher by Uhoto. That puts the Orlando Pirates 3-0 up, and that was it. How did you make of the game?
Yeah. Okay, firstly, well done to Orlando.
You need aircon la.
Well done.
Yeah, then subscribe. You need aircon. Kashisa.
I thought you could come. We are too much. Relax, I should chill.
After 2 minutes.
No, I relax. I'm not calm, Bob.
Let's go. How did you make of the game?
No, the game, CAF Champions League game, there was only one team. For me, from where I was sitting, there was just only one team.
Sure.
There was only Orlando Pirates. Stade Abidjan, very poor. Very poor. They are very scattered. They don't play as a team. They can't even combine 5 passes.
Yeah.
You can see that these guys, they are new in Champions League. It's the team that got in, that was in pot 4. When according to the other ranking, I think it's their first time to be in the Champions League. And
wasn't Pirates in the same pot?
No, Pirates pot 3. Pirates pot 3. No, it's not the same.
It's not the same. I said almost.
No, it's not. It's not even almost. Okay. It's not even almost because the
3
teams
and 4
that are in pot 1, it's Al Ahly. The team that is in pot 2 is CR Belouizdad. The team that is in pot 3 is Orlando Pirates. The team that is in pot 4. So it's not even close. See the teams that needs to qualify there.
Yeah.
According to the rankings, it should be Al Ahly and CR Belouizdad. So these ones.
But I'm saying it's almost the same because our rankings wabo, they are low. That's why they are in pot 3 and pot 4 because they are low rankings teams.
Okay, good. Okay, but those things are not the same.
All right, correct.
Are not the same, right? So, what
poor
I saw,
game.
Yeah, poor game. The approach game 4-3-3. They didn't have a 8. Right wing was the only guy that was trying first half. It was this ginger guy.
Kune.
I don't even know.
I had them
number
saying
7.
Kune. Yeah.
But there was no support. There's nothing. No passes. They were very slow, especially 8 in the midfield. They were very slow. Transition, whenever they losing the ball, they were losing the structure. Even the back 4, they were losing the structure too much. In fact, the score is not a true reflection of the game because Pirates should have won maybe by 5 goals, 6 goals to 0. They didn't create any opportunities besides when it was set pieces and when it was corner kick and free kicks. That's the only hope you could see. But other than that, you don't even know what do they want to do when they come to the final third? They can't even, they want to start the ball from the back, but they can't even combine 4 or 5 passes. They can't combine 5 passes. They don't even know how to shift. They don't even know how to, they are always scattered. They don't become compact. Whether they are in possession or when they are not, they are out of possession, they are not compact. They don't move as a team. When the second half, okay, first half, they were not even pressing. They didn't press. They didn't press a parade high. They were just sitting, doing mid block. But Nakwan, it was not coordinated. That's why Parrot was always on song. Here in the midfield, the Parrot was always on song. They were always Parrot was opening up the pitch and then able to circulate the ball and then find the pockets and find the spaces. So on this side of Eastern Abidjan, Bonat 1, 2, 3 passes, the ball is outside. 1, 2, 3 passes. The poor technique. They can't fight each other. The gaps are too wide open. So that was it. Poor. Parrot on the other side. Second half they tried to press, but still they press. Okay, according to me, they pressed wrongly because they pressed with the 2. And then because they played the 4-4-2 diamond in the second half. Yeah. So they pressed with the 5. The other 5 was just sitting at the back. There was too much gap. So Parrot was just taking the ball to the wings and then going inside into the pockets and then they attack them. So Parrot approach the game with normally 4-2-3-1. Then there were a lot of the way they were playing Parrot. It was so smooth. They were so fluid, coordinated in the engine. Yeah. He should put my favorite player.
Tito. Maketen Makaula. I knew you were
He played 290 minutes today. Makaula, no, in the midfield. They played very well. But what I noticed in the first half, Parrot, I think they did homework with these guys. Because they knew first half Ufadrowan was not even overlapping because he was just sitting there at the right back because that guy was having a pace and then that guy was skillful. The one that was coming on his side. And that's why Uhot was having a freedom of going up because that guy that was playing right wing was ineffective. So they were overloading. They were just overloading. A method man runs coming into the pockets. Umaswangai, they talking about one touch. Umfuken coming to the spaces. These guys, as I saw, that structurally they were marking very wrong. There was only one end for them, and then there was always Unkota on this side, and there was always Umfuken on this side. Then Parrot, Ama fullbacks and Abo Makawala, they were always finding Abonkot, Kuzan. And then this guy couldn't mark two guys because the 2 8s for Kuzan were not pressing at all. They were not pressing. Ball recovery of theirs was very poor. So Parrot was just coming to the pockets, doing combination. That's how the first goal came. And even there are many chances. They
should have buried.
Yeah. So, but that was it for Parrot. It's just there was nothing much. There was only one team. Parrot was very, very fluid. First half, second half, very fluid. And then I knew, okay, second half there'll be more goals than the first half because they need to bury their chances. Because now when you drag the game until 60 minutes, then anything is possible because even the opposition team will feel good. I know we still have a chance. So Parrot did a very good job by that goal, Lalo Kuzan. The second goal of Maswangai. The 10.
That is a 10-year number 10. That is a type of a Jomosono kind of a 10.
Yes, the elephant in the end.
Yeah. I'm not sure what are you talking about, but that 10.
I've been saying those 10s.
That was a type of a Jomosono type of a 10 and standing on top of the ball and scoring. Because many people would say, Umepes go ball again because we're number 10. He wanted to do this thing of provoking this topic. But the good part is that he scored.
And then another thing, that I've noticed. We remember that Thomas Wanga have been on the bench. For the last 2-3 games, has been on the bench. Now, when he came on, he showed that he wanted to play because he played very well at number 10. And then today, Utalent was not in, and then there was Udlamin. He played very well, especially second half, because second half they were finding him. It's just that second half this team, combats, I think they targeted him with Mfuke Nonkot second half, because whenever it's 50-50 balls, they were always going hard at them to try and break down Ilokuzan. He played a parrot, but other than that, very good goal. And then, but he should have scored this other goal. Pan, you know, when they're on the same spot,
on top of them.
Yes.
I mean,
over the bar. Yeah. And then the other one, there was no repair when he's on the side or on the left half space in the 18. In the 18, when you just entered the 18 in the half space there, that Kerala, he should have scored those goals.
Repero
when he's on that spot, Baba. He scored the goal.
But we're talking about Orlando Pirates, not
I'm making an example, Baba. He should have buried because other players.
There's so many
okay,
players.
Pass it down, buried it.
Yeah. Why did it have to bury it? Well, you know what the good thing is? The good thing is Amapalapa managed to secure all 3 points.
At home.
Moving forward, they have CR Belouizdad, and which was playing very well. And now you can see with now that they mean business, you know. And on the other hand, they have an away game, Al Ahly, you know. So those are critical games. So today's game was a must win, and I'm so happy that they managed to win this game at home.
Yeah, Pirates is just short of one draw or 3 points. If they can in these 2 games, they just need 1 point, because they are on top of the log. There are only 2 games, right? So only 6 points. In the 6 points that is left, if they can get 1 point, they are done.
So Paris got now about 8 points.
8 points. So they just need 1 point.
I'm not sure. CR Belouizdad got 6. Then if they win, they will have 9 points. If they win the next 2 games.
Okay, Al-Al, what is going to happen to Al-Al? Because if you're saying if they win the next 2 games, it means they will beat Lokuzani
Pirates.
Yes. So they just need 1 point.
Then after
that, they've
I
qualified.
don't think I like this situation of the calculators.
Yeah.
I remember we rely on the calculators.
We rule 14.1.
Yeah.
You flop off the ticket.
And it turned out to be a mess. So I don't want to rely on calculators. I want them to win their games. No draws, just win.
Yeah.
I will appreciate that.
Yeah.
Maybe a win at home and a draw away with the Al Ahly. That will mean something. But
at home.
Yeah, they are playing away with Al Ahly. They are playing at home with CR Belouizdad.
Oh, no, they will get a point at least. They will get a point there.
I'm saying they need to win CR Belouizdad. Not just a point, but a win.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, they will win. No, at home, Pirates is very strong at home. Pirates is very, very strong at home.
Well,
they're winning.
Ladies and gentlemen, they're just about it.
One thing.
So
Mabas.
Yeah.
I'm so happy about Mabas.
Mabas didn't score.
Baba.
Why are you so happy with that?
Hey, I'm happy about Mabas. Mabas, Baba, he played 9 and 9, false 9. He was understanding all the time. He was coming to do a turnover here in the middle, to come into the pockets to do a one touch. He was playing as a target man, but when he drifts off these guys, they were staying there, and then he come there at the numbers. That's why Pirate was always having the numbers, many numbers in the final third. They were always 5v4, 5v4, 5v4 when they entered the box, because of the movement and the intelligence of Mabas. Because we pass Mabas on the feet, Mabas just do one touch, he give Maswanga umfukeng uzoshaya reverse pass ashayela lo Dion Hot. If it's on the right side uzofakela Van Rooyen uDen man of the match Dion Hot. Ubone another transition Leon Dion Hot played 3 positions today. Bafowethu Dion Hot. Not your favorite player, Dion Hot.
Can I close? Can we close now?
Yeah, we have power, Pella.
Thank you. Happy New Year, Mapagapaga, and you open up with the 3 points we kept Champions League. You're on the top, and you deserve a round of applause.
Yes. More Papagapaga.
Well, uma uthi uyaqala ukujoyina, please do subscribe, ushare, utshele nabanye ukuthi we are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. From mina umfana kaMnikathi ukhaphela ugcothe ijamba lamaqoqo inkomadla ehlangene.
Usajuluke wedwa.
Yeah,
Angijulukile.
No, we need aircon. We need aircon. Hey.